Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you're all having an amazing day. We're off to a bright and early start today. It's the middle of the week. Are you surprised by that? I'm motovlog in the middle of the week. Well, I had to take the day off because if you guys remember from my last motovlog, the check-in, there's a career fair and a tech panel happening at the university I graduated from. Alumni are welcome, and since I need to find an IT job, this is one of my best opportunities to network with people around the area and see if I can land a IT role.
Alright guys, and before we continue on with today's video, I want to just ask you guys to please hit the subscribe button down below. It really means a lot, helps out the channel, and it's completely free. We are trying to get to 1K as soon as possible, and with your guys' help, that can be done within the month or by the end of March, and I really appreciate you guys for that. So if you guys could, again, please hit the subscribe button down below. It's completely free, and hit the bell notification if you guys want to stay up to date with my current videos. I'm going to be posting YouTube shorts daily and 2 long form videos a week, and yeah, that's gonna be it for me for now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.
Just an entry-level role or an internship. So got my backpack, got my resumes on me. Anyways, bike's warmed up enough for now. My wallet's in my backpack, got my phone on me, got my resumes. Should be good. So we should be good to head out to the university. I'll catch you guys when I'm closer there.
The only reason I'm going on the bike today is because parking there is free, and I don't know how long I'm going to be there. Maybe 3 hours, 4 or 5. So instead of paying the absorbent amount
of parking there, I'd rather just take the bike, park for free, and see how it goes. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's a cold one out today, guys. It's a cold one. Oh, the bike's still cold, yeah. Bike is still cold. So I'm going to be taking you guys along with me today to the university, and sort of like a day in the life of a motovlogger. Sort of. I'm trying to like do 2 to 3 things at once. So we get a motovlog because it's a bright and sunny day, do a networking at the tech panel and get information, because apparently they're also going to be speaking about tips and tricks and advice to get noticed in this job market. They were giving advice on this job market, and then the career fair. There's a couple of companies which I've looked into. They are hiring for IT roles, so I'm gonna try and apply there, try and either land a job on the spot,
either attempt to land a job on the spot or at least get an interview. If anything, if I don't land a job like today, at least I'll have a better of a network, because I'll be meeting recruiters, hiring managers, CEOs of companies, and I'll have a motovlog or 2 out of this too. So it's a win-win either way.
So yeah, I haven't been to this part of town on this side with the bike in a long time, so it feels a bit weird being in traffic, but I gotta get used to it, you know? Gotta get used to it if I'm going to be commuting on the bike more, which is one of the reasons why I got it. Save on buying a car, you know. And it's also a change of pace from being cooped up inside. And it's also a change of pace of being cooped up inside all the time, because during the week I'm usually in like my office doing work, then just staying at home. So going out and about for once, it's a bit of a change of a pace. I actually enjoy it. But I definitely have to pick up gas on my way back. It's been a while since I fueled up, and I've had the bike running without actually using it, so I'm pretty sure it needs a bit of gas. Man, it feels good. You might not be able to hear me that well because of the wind. It is windy today.
I have the vent down, so it's open. For some reason, it's still fogging up, even with the pin lock. It is supposed to be a warm day today, so Right now it's like 8 degrees outside, 8 degrees Celsius for you guys in America. Don't know about Fahrenheit. But in the afternoon, by the time when I need to come home, apparently it's going to be like 15 to 18 degrees. So it's going to be warm, which is going to be nice. It's like the first warm day I'm actually going to go on a ride for like months. It's going to be awkward going back into university. And especially this room that we're going in, it's a huge auditorium. The only time I was there was in the beginning in like 2013, 2014 when I was taking economics, Econ 101 macroeconomics and the microeconomics. That's when I was there in the auditorium. It was like 180 students, 150 student classrooms, and I haven't been there since. Hopefully there's other bikers here. Usually there's like 2 or 3 people from what I remember, but I don't know. I don't know. Bikes are becoming more common here than before for students, I guess. Dude, we made it. We're at the university for the first time in ages. Actually made it to the university on the bike. I really want to do this back when I was still a student here, but never got the opportunity to because my classes were online for the most part. I think there's still time for the panel to be open. They're opening the seats and everything for it. Stream was locked. That's good. I mean, this is a good thing where I don't have my bags because I'm still skeptical about bringing this out places. So this is a good first run. Let's see, just look at it, man. Looks good. Oh, speaking of looking good. If you guys are interested, check out avonmoto.co. Get yourself a pair of the Diablos or any other of their riding gear, the merchandise. Use code Marauder for 10% off your entire purchase. If you purchase from them using my code, I get a kickback as well. It helps out the channel and you guys get some awesome merch and some awesome gear from Raven Moto. So if you guys want to do that. Alright, I'm gonna cut this here. I might record a bit on my phone and about the tech panel on the fair, and then afterwards I'll get back to you guys when we're coming home. Or actually I'll just end the vlog here, or I'll add a little bit at the end about the fair and all that. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys see a bit more, it's most likely part of the fair and the tech panel. If not, this is the end of this vlog. I'm going to start a new one once I get back and I'm about to go home. So stay safe, stay warm, guys. Catch you in a bit.